Morning class, open your maths books, time and temperature, revision we are doing. Also open your copies. Exercise 13.2. Add the following. Add the following. Good morning. Have you all opened the books and copies? Now before moving to next exercise, that is 13.2, let's go through the example first. Open page number 197. Page number 197. Vidhi, you are already joined, then how come your another number is also coming for joining? You joined with two numbers, Vidhi. Then you are added here just now with this Naib Zanjeev Jain. And one more request I have received just now of Vidhi and Karthik with this name. So when you are already here with the camera and mic, then why another name? One more meeting, Joy. You are using which camera right now? Laptop camera? This one is working? Doesn't matter. You can rotate it later on whenever I ask. But please join with one number only. Don't use two, three numbers to join the meeting. Okay? One child, one number. Right? Let's start. Come on, page number 197. Here you have to add the numbers. Add the following 3 hours 55 minutes and 4 hours 45 minutes. 3 hours 55 minutes and 5 hours. 5 hours 20 minutes and 3 hours 25 minutes. So this is given to you on page number 197, 5 hours 20 minutes, 3 hours 25 minutes. While we were doing this chapter, I explained you when we add something in time and temperature, when the number goes above 60, because 1 hour has 60 minutes. When the number goes above 60, what we do? We carry over 1. Yes, we carry over 1 to the next side. Now see the example. 5 hours 20 minutes and 3 hours 25 minutes. Or we will write like this. First column is of hours, second column is of minutes. This column is of hours, is of minutes. And 0 plus 5 will give us 5. 2 plus 2 will give us 4. Means here the number is not more than 60. So we are going to write as it is. Okay? Then here 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. So what is our answer coming? Our answer is 8 hours 8 hours 45 minutes. Clear? Now come on to the second example. Add 3 hours 55 minutes and 4 hours 45 minutes. Yes? Now look at this example. 3 hours 55 minutes, 4 hours 45 minutes. So look at the theory section first. It is saying 55 and 45 will give us how much? 100 minutes? Yes? If we are going to add minutes together, so 55 and 45 is going to give us 100. 100, we cannot move more than 60. When we are moving more than 60, that means we have to carry forward 1. So 100 will give us 60 plus 40. If we are going to divide 100 into hour, so 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Total 100 minutes are there. Total 100 minutes are there. Yes, total 100 are there. So out of 100, 60, 1 hour is gone, 60 minutes. How many minutes are left? 40 minutes are left. So how we are going to write 100 minutes? 60 minutes plus 40 minutes. Now, 60 minutes means 1 hour and 40 minutes separately. So how much we have to add? Now, if we are going to add hours together, so 3 hour and 4 hour, it will give us 7 hour. Now 7 plus 1 more hour because minutes 1 hour was there. So 7 plus 1 will give us 8 plus 40 minutes that was left there. 8 hours 40 minutes. See, when we are adding hours together. 3 plus 4 is giving us 7 hours. 3 plus 4 are giving us 7 hours. And how many minutes are there? 45 and 55. This is giving us 100 minutes. This is giving us 100 minutes. 100 minutes means 60 minutes plus 40 minutes. 100 minutes means 60 minutes plus 40 minutes. Yes or no? 60 minutes means 1 hour. As it is, yes. Now, we have got 7 hours. In this 7 hour, we are going to add 1 more hour. In this 7 hour, we are going to add 1 more hour. It will give us 8 hours. And these minutes are extra. These minutes are extra. So we are going to write here. So our answer will be 8 hours 40 minutes. Okay? Understood? You can do in the column form also as we have done. Now look at the column section, left hand side. Hour column, minutes column. 3 hour 55 minutes, 4 hour 45 minutes. When we are going to add 55 and 45, it is going to give us 100. Yes? 100 means carry over 1. Carry over 1. 40 we can keep. 60 we have to remove. 60 we have to remove. Why? Because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 60 we will remove and 1 will be carried over. On 7, it will give us 8. Wait a minute.
Of classes in the morning, kindly collect the attendance register from sister's office for the attendance of the students. Every day, when you go to the classroom, first class, they kindly collect teachers' attendance, students' attendance register when you go to class. Another important notice, please make note. Tomorrow there will be no offline classes for 9 to 12. You can inform the students today itself. Tomorrow, no offline classes for 9 to 12. But all teachers are supposed to come to school. Thank you.
So is it clear to all of you how you have to add? Okay. 100 minutes are coming, we will remove 1 hour. We know 1 hour means 60 we will remove. So how much is left? 40. So we have written 40 there. And 60 means 1 we have carried over on the left hand side. So 7 plus 1, 8. So column section is also clear and theory section is also clear. Yes? This example is clear. Now come on to the next one where we have to add minutes and seconds and hours. No need to do that because in copy we have not done the seconds one. Yes, in copy we have done minutes and hours only. See exercise 13.2 in your copies. I think A, B, C, D, four sums we have done. So you have to practice these types of sums only, means only hours and minutes. Okay? You don't have to practice for seconds. All right. So, who will tell me the first sum of exercise 13.2 first sum? 2 hours, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 25 minutes. 2 hours, 30 minutes. Look here, look at the board. 50 and 25. What it will give us? 55? 55 and 55 is less than 60. So we are going to write as it is. We are going to write 55 as it is. Yes, because it is less than 60. Nothing has to be carried over. Then we have 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 3 hours, 55 minutes. 3 hours, 55 minutes. Okay? Alright. Second one, 4 hours, 18 minutes, 7 hours, 26 minutes. 4 hours, 18 minutes, 7 hours, 26 minutes. Add 18 and 26 here. Add 18 and 26. How much is coming here? 18 and 26. 44. How much is coming here? 44. Yes. That means here also the number is less than 60. So we have to write as it is. And here 4 plus 7. So our answer will be 11 hours 44 minutes. Yes. Clear to everybody? Can you all do addition sums now easily? So you have to practice from exercise 13.2 question number 1. You have to practice A, B, C, D. 4 sums. And we have already done these sums beforehand. So it will be very easy for you to practice. Plus practice the example that we have discussed today. 2 examples also. We have 3 examples we have discussed today. So 3 examples and 4 sums. That is total 3 plus 4, 7 sums you have to practice. Okay? Everybody is going to practice these 7 sums in their copy without any failure. Okay? Any other doubt? 7 sums you have to practice, 3 examples, and 4 sums of exercise 13.2, question number 1. A, B, C. This much is done. Okay. All right.